To sync Google Calendar with Obsidian, the first thing that you need to do is to open your Obsidian account and relocate yourself to the settings or gear icon that you can see below. Afterwards, you will see their different options such as hotkeys, core plugins, community plugins, Blacklace, and Canvas. What you need to do is click on community plugins. From community plugins, you will see there browse and install community plugins made by our amazing community. Click on the browse icon that you can see at the right side. Afterwards, go to the search icon and search and type for Google Calendar. And then click on the Google Calendar option that you will see. And for the last step, after clicking on the Google Calendar, click on the Login with Google option and log in the Google email that you have on your account.